Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to remove an Audi S3 door panel. This guide will help you access internal components for repairs or upgrades. Before starting, gather your tools, such as a plastic trim removal kit, a T25 Torx screwdriver, and a flathead screwdriver. Always prioritize safety by disconnecting your car's battery before beginning any work. This simple step prevents accidental electrical shorts or component damage during the process. Now, let's begin by removing the visible fasteners. First, use your plastic trim tool to carefully pry off the small trim piece situated behind the interior door handle. Underneath this trim, you will find two Torx screws. Remove these using your T25 screwdriver. Next, check the armrest and door pocket for any additional screws and remove them. Finally, gently pry up the window switch panel to access more hidden screws. With all screws removed, it is time to detach the door panel itself. Starting from the bottom edge, use your plastic trim tool to carefully pry around the entire perimeter of the panel. You will hear the plastic clips releasing as you go. Once all clips are free, gently lift the entire door panel straight upwards. This action disengages it from the window channel, allowing you to pull it away from the door frame. Finally, with the door panel detached, you need to disconnect the remaining internal components. First, carefully unclip all electrical connectors, including those for the window switch and the speaker. Next, detach the door handle cable. This usually involves rotating a small plastic clip to release the cable end. Ensure all wiring harnesses are unclipped from the panel. Now, you can safely set the door panel aside, being careful not to scratch or damage it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.